Earn $5 every 10 minutes online. What's going on, everyone? Nathan here, and that's exactly what we're going to have a look at in today's video. How you can earn $5 every 10 minutes online or even more, and this is going to be easy PayPal money. So all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, this is going to be a quick one, so make sure you stick around till the end and watch the whole thing here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity here, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. But we'll save that for the end of this video, because for now we want to get started to make some extra money with this opportunity right here. Let's get started. Okay, so the site that we are going to have a look at today is intellizoom.com. Intellizoom.com, a site I recently discovered actually, and you can clearly see that we are talking about some kind of surveys. Your opinion matters, so get paid to share your experience and make an impact on products you love and care about. So get paid quickly and easily, saving up for something or looking for that bit extra, spending money, join the people all over the world making additional income by sharing their experience. So as I mentioned, you make an additional income with these kind of opportunities, so definitely have a look at my #1 recommendation later on here. Alright, you make an immediate impact on the products that you love and use today by sharing your opinion with the people that make and improve those products. Do it in your spare time, got 15 to 20 minutes to spare, giving feedback is easy. So there is some questions here, you can see. You can get started real quick here as soon as you finish the registration process and answer 3 basic profiling questions. You can get started. Now, how long are the studies? Most studies take an average of 10 to 20 minutes. Let's have a look at how many study invitations. Of course, it depends on how many, your demographics and your quality rating here. Now, how much money could I make? So payment depends on the complexity on the study. For studies that record think out loud audio and video, you can expect to make $10 on average. For standard surveys, the payment is $2 on average. So it totally depends on the project that you're going to take up on and how much you can make there. So what you need to participate in those studies is a computer, tablet or smartphone, a reliable connection to Wi-Fi, a quiet place, and the ability to download UserZoom's e-certified testing software. And when do I get the money? So payments are sent out via PayPal within 21 business days after the completion of the study. So we are talking about PayPal money, as I mentioned also in the beginning. And I did a research online here to have a look. It got some pretty good reviews actually, so definitely worth to have a sign up for. Now I found out a site called Ragstone Niches here, so credits goes for the review that they did here. And you can see here how much can you make. For a full audio and visual test, recording both your voice, face and screen, you normally get $10. For regular surveys, you should get $5. Each study will take around 10 to 20 minutes. So the conclusion I came up with how you can actually make $5 is because I want to be realistic. I don't think that all the surveys will be $10 and it will take you 10 to 20 minutes. But for a regular survey that should take 10 minutes, you can make $5, okay? So that is how I came up with it. Conclusion, I wanted it to be more realistic actually here. So there you have it about Intellizoom and how you can earn $5 every 10 minutes online. Now, as I said in the beginning, you're definitely not going to get rich with this opportunity here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. It really helps a lot. Make sure you subscribe to both my channels that you see at the end screen here. Both are related and both are mine, so make sure you subscribe to those. So hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.